Yeah, today's our topic is about logic gates. Sometimes we use the word digital logic gates also. And here binary logic consists of binary variables and logic operations. The variables are designed by the letters of the variable such as ABC, capital ABC or small x, y, z, with each variable having two distinct values 1 and 0. And there are three basic logic operations: AND operation, OR operation and NOT operation. The first operation is called as AND operation. This is sometimes we use the word either basic logic operations or binary operations. All these operations are the binary operations. So this AND operation is represented by a dot or by the absence of an operator also. Just like here, like example, x dot y is equal to z. This is AND operation. Or xy is equal to z. So I will say that if a thing is shown like this, a multiplication operation can be called as a AND operation, and this is equal to x and y, and that value is equal to 0. The logical AND is interpreted to mean that z is equal to 1 if and only if x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1, otherwise 0. So from the truth table we can understand the functionality of the AND operation. Here again I am repeating now, I am talking in terms of the binary operations only here. So if x is one input, y is the other input, z is equal to x dot y or x and y. If you take this truth table, the definition can be like this: the output of the AND operation is high if and only if both inputs are high. Again I am repeating, the output of the AND operation is high if and only if both inputs are high. So if you take here, when x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1, output is 1. All remaining cases, here what happens is, for AND operation the output is low. So the next basic operation is OR operation. This operation is represented by a plus sign like this: x plus y is equal to z. This is read as x or y is equal to z. Here one meaning is that now z is equal to 1 if x is equal to 1 or y is equal to 1, or if both x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. If both x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0, then only z is equal to 0. So here this type of operation is called as a logical OR operation. We cannot say that now straight away this is like a addition operation, because in addition operation the logic will be little different now when we talk about both x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, but this is a logic operation. You have to definitely note the point that now all these are the logical operations. If you see this truth table, except when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, output is equal to high only. So both x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, then z is equal to 0. Here from the truth table, the definition can be: the output of a OR operation is high if at least one input is high. If at least one input is high, output is high. So for that reason now we can say that now the definition can be: if at least one input is high, output is high. Now if you go to NOT operation, for example, now here we can say that now the NOT operation is also called as a here complement operation. Here now I will show like this: now x bar or x complement, then x complement z is read as NOT of x is equal to z, meaning that now z is equal to what x is not. In other words, if x is equal to 1, then z is equal to 0, but if x is equal to 0, then z is equal to 1. The NOT operation is also called as complementation. So truth table can be like this: now whatever the input I am giving there, the output will be inversion of the input. So this type of operation is called as a NOT operation. All these three operations are called as basic logic operations. In this, AND and OR are called as binary operations. NOT is called as unary operation. Now we will see what are the logic gates now. To implement whatever the operations we discussed up to now, we use a digital electronic circuit called as a logic gate. Logic gates are electronic circuits that operate on one or more input signals to produce an output signal. Electric signals such as voltage or current exist throughout a digital system in either of two recognizable values. Voltage operated circuits respond to two separate voltage levels that represent a binary variable equal to logic 1 or logic 0. So, to implement any binary operation, normally we use a digital electronic circuit called as a logic gate. Every logic gate is having some number of inputs, some number of outputs. So, here these are symbols for digital logic gates. Again I am using the word, these are called as basic logic gates. Whatever the gates we are showing here are the basic logic gates. Using these basic logic gates, I can design any number of circuits. So, what I do is I will add few logic gates and I will call it as another component. I will add few components and I will call it as one of the complex component. I will add all the components and finally I will call it as one circuit, motherboard, or the word we are using PCB, printed circuit board. So, for all these things the basic is from these gates only. These three gates are the binary circuits or basic circuits which are implementing the through basic binary operations. Whatever discussed previously, this is about AND operation. 2 input AND gate. 2 input AND gate is implementing the AND operation. Whatever we discussed in about the AND operation which is there in binary will be implemented using a gate called AND gate. For AND gate, the symbol is like this: input is x and y, output is equal to z is equal to x dot y, x and y. Now this is another circuit called as a 2 input OR gate. Inputs are x and y, output is equal to z is equal to x plus y, or I will call it as a x or y. If you take one, this is a symbol for inverter. If I give x, output is x bar. This can be called as a inverter or also called as a complement circuit or also called as a NOT gate. Normal wording is NOT gate or inverter. So here I want to mention small point here. If there is a no bubble here, what is this component? You take it a small question. If there is no bubble here, what is this component? Now, so the input output signals of the gates will be like this. I am showing here a input output signals diagram. Here normally here, because we are calling it as a digital circuit, we use the wave only, digital wave only. Normally we use the square wave consisting of low value and high value. This is 0 value, this is the high value. If x is like this, for example, you take this one, if x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, then AND gate output is 0, OR gate output is 0, NOT gate is high. So here similarly we are showing all possible operations 0 0, 1 0, 1 1, 0 1. So what is the change in the signal here depending upon the logic gate we are using here? This can be shown using this signal diagram. Now similarly whatever I am discussing up to now are about only binary gates only, because there we are having two operands only. Binary means two operands, A and B, and output is A plus B. So plus is a operator, A is an operand, B is an operand. So always working on only two operands only, they are called as a binary gates. Here gates with multiple inputs. If you take this example, a gate can be also with multiple inputs only, not only two, it can have multiple inputs. Example is A, B, C. Output F is equal to A dot B dot C are also called as A, B, C. But basically we can treat in other way also. Here there are two binary AND gates. Two input AND gates are there. AB is given to one AND gate here. Output is A dot B. Then I take another two input AND gate, give C as one input, give AB as another input, then I will get a output as ABC. So this can be treated as equivalent to two input AND gates. Similarly, I can have four inputs also. If you take this OR gate, A, B, C, D, there are four inputs here. Output is A plus B plus C plus D. If at all I want to treat this as always, because I can say that now plus is always between two operands only. Plus is always a binary operation. So this can be written as a plus b plus, for that again you take c plus d. So a plus b is one operation, I am getting one output for this. C plus d is another operation, I am getting one output for that. And both I am again applying for another OR gate here. This is equal to 3 equivalent to 3 binary OR operations also basically. But straight away I will show that there are a 4 input OR gate is also available. So this is about the basic logic gates, and we can call it a digital logic gates also. One point is clear, very much clear here, that here AND operation, OR operation are the binary operations. To implement AND operation, OR operation, I am using always some logical circuits. They are called as a digital gates or binary gates. NOT operation is unary operation. Whatever I give, I will get the output as the inverted output there. And similarly, I can have multiple inputs also, multiple input AND gate and multiple input OR gate also. But these are the basics here to implement any logical operation. Whatever the Boolean algebra expressions are there, to implement those we require the logical gates. From logical gates we can develop any type of a logical circuit or digital circuit there. Either it may be combinational or sequential circuits. We will discuss about those things in the elaborated way in the next session. And thank you and all.